LabelDirect allows you to make calculations on your labels. On this sample label, we would like to calculate the price from the weight of the product. First, we need to set up the elements that will be used for the calculation: price per kilo and weight. You can either source these values from a keyboard or a database. This label is connected to a database. The price per kilo values are included in this column. On the design screen, we set the data source, for the price per kilo field, to database and select price per kilo. Next, click on the Formatting tab, set the format to currency and pound sterling. Our weight value will be entered at print time, using a keyboard. Set this field to keyboard using the data source selector, and enter a prompt. Click on the Formatting tab and set to weight. Now we can use the price per weight values from the database, and the weight entered at print time to make our calculation for the price field. Click on the price field and select calculation from the data source selector. Click on edit to enter your calculation. Here we are multiplying price per kilo with weight, and we want a result to 2 decimal places. Click on OK to go back to the design screen, and then click on Formatting on the right-hand side. Set this to price and pounds sterling. For prices less than £1, check this box and enter P for pence here. Save your label. You are now ready to print your label. Click on the print icon on the main toolbar to go to the print screen. Select a record and enter the weight. You will see the calculated price on the label preview.